Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Papais group. Today we're gonna make traditional cake banana papais. My name is Muhammad Rio Azwar Herlian from class 12 Social 5.
My name is Arando Sirya Saputra.
My name is Muhammad Septian.
My name is Rizky Dwi Widodo.
My name is Jupiter Akbar.
History and origin of banana papais. Banana papais come from the culinary tradition of Sundanese people with northerly ingredients that are elsewhere found in the surrounding environments, such as banana, coconut and palm sugar, Swiss and Swiss stamps. Agrolite contained in Java have often made banana bed set of as heavily and filling snacks.
The first ingredients need are banana, then 750 ml coconut milk, flour, rice flour, vanilla, sugar, salt, banana flavors, pandan leaves. Then the tools you need are a pan and a basin.
First of all, add 280 grams of rice flour into a container for cooking. Then of 25 grams of Lego flour, 4 in 4 tablespoons of sugar, then 4 half a spoon of salt. Add 1 small sachet of vanilla. Then add 2 vanilla leaves. Then 4 in 225 ml of coconut milk. And stir the mixture. Wet the mother liner until it is evenly mixed. This cook on a medium stove.
Cut the banana into pieces. Clean the banana leaves that have been dried in the salt.
The mixture has been mixed and thickened, then stirred constantly until it becomes original papais dough. After mixing all the mixture, remove from heat and then drain for 10 minutes until warm.
After it has been dried, already the mixture with the banana picker tea leaves that have been cleaned. Add 1 spoonful of the mixture to taste and spread it. Eat apply 1 tea banana leaf. Once apply add the banana pieces that we cut earlier. Then cover the banana that we put in the mixture with more doxy so that the banana is all covered with the doxy fold. The doxy that we have made so that it is neat and next. After being folded, put it in the pan to steam. After 20 minutes, stir off the head and open the lid that cover and lift the finished papais and drain it out.
Taste of the food. Banana papais has a naturally sweet flavor with a hint of creaminess from the coconut milk. The texture is soft and slightly chewy, while the banana leaf gives a subtle earthy-tone aroma. Paired with a cup of tea or coffee, it's a delightful snack to enjoy anytime.
Watching our videos, you
Bye.